Jared has a life vest on, did you see?
Damn right. That's why I got it.
Oh, can I pull the cord? Can I drill a hole?
Go for it. What do you think, Carrots? Christmas special?
I don't know if I'm strong enough.
You can. It's probably a little taller than it should be for you.
Can you start it for me?
Get the Christmas special going.
I'm not strong enough.
There you go. There you go.
Spin around and do it. No. You might have to do it.
Okay, here. Go right over here.
How deep?
What we got? 4.
Ready to
Good
fish?
Christmas special. Day 1. Pennsylvania ice. First one.
Fish on.
Really? What is it?
Peckerel.
Is it?
I think so.
I saw it through the ice. It's nice, whatever it is.
Bass, nice LM.
Man.
Let me see.
Got a nice LM here.
Good job, Jared.
See if we can land it.
Nice.
First ice LMs.
That only took 5 minutes. First fish of your 1920 ice season. Christmas special.
Last fish of 2019.
Nice. Good way to start off the ice season.
Oh, you inhaled it. Great.
Nice gill, Caroline.
Thanks.
Good way to start it off.
Ooh, he's slimy.
Nice.
Thanks.
Oh, she's on.
Oh, on again. That's a good one. Oh, take your time. Oh,
I got him!
what? The pickerel.
Oh, yeah.
Let him calm down on the ice, Carrots. Dang.
Wow, I'm a professional.
Nice one.
Snot rocket.
Oh, man.
Squeeze him.
I know, well, I'm not squeezing him, but...
Point his head toward me. Nice fish, Caroline.
Oh, thanks. I didn't.
Good way to start off the ice season.
I didn't really do a thing. All right, he's squeamish.
Okay.
Calm down. Bye, little man. Woo. Oh God, look at all the slime.
Nice. Ooh, good one.
Ooh, nice.
Oh geez.
Nice.
Oh shit, that's a big fish, dude. Oh no, don't come
it?
off. Don't come off. Dude, Jared, it's strip and drag.
Gonna need some assistance.
Oh, he came off. Dude. No. What? Did you see that?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Quite a big pickerel.
Dude, that was giant.
Big pickerel.
Giant. My drag was
Damn.
too tight. It's not too tight for bass fishing, but that was something else. That was either it was probably a pickerel. It's probably 28. Like record of this pond. Possibly biggest fish in this pond.
Oh my God.
So yeah, that was the biggest fish in the pond. He's now gone.
We caught a little fish. We're getting, Tyler just caught a fish right now. Oh. Good,
Nice gill.
He lost a really big one.
It's nice out, isn't it?
Yeah, we didn't know if the ice would be good, but we probably could have been fishing for the past week.
Well, you didn't know till today, but at least it's not freaking cold.
Yeah, true.
Oh, he got it on the drop. I was like, I'm on bottom already. Ooh. Nice gill, Caroline. Small gill. That's a nice one.
He's purple.
Don't drop him.
Okay.
Nice. For sure, this one.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, good fish.
Is it? Ooh, nice one.
Yeah.
Ooh, careful. Oh, nice.
Swallowed it. Hopefully he didn't break me off. Alright, let's try getting back in quick. Hopefully it'll clot up. Doesn't look to be too bad. Yeah, a little bit.
Nice.
Could have been worse.
Caroline with the LMs.
I can get my finger in his mouth.
Yeah, now that as they're walking out, pull it up.
Are they?
Good first trip of the year. Didn't expect to fish today, Christmas Day. Caught a bunch of fish. Lost the big one. And yeah, it was sweet. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Can't get the big one. I guess that's gonna be it for today. First trip of the year, Christmas Day. Caught a bunch of fish. Lost a really good one. Had another good bite. But can't get the big one today. Good to be out. Yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.